Alright everyone, so what I'm going to do is do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm going to make them look all nice, and then what I'm going to do is one of my eyes. I'm probably going to do this one since you can see this one a lot better. So I'll be right back. Alright everybody, as you can tell, I have one of my eyes done. Here's what it looks like. It's very smoky eye. This is not what I thought I was gonna do, but it's what I decided to do. So after I fill in my eyebrows, I like to take a brush like this, an eyebrow brush, and just go through them a little bit. And then I like to take my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the color Creme Brulee and carve them out, I guess I would say. This is my definition of like carving it out, which is just taking a foundation or concealer and just making them look absolutely perfect. So I'm going to be using my Gorgeous Me palette today by Beauty Glazed. And I'm going to be taking this orange shade right there. And then after I put that in my crease and blend it up towards my brow bone, I'm going to be taking the black shade right here. And I'm going to be putting that all over the lid, like from all the way here to here. And then blend it in with the transition shade, that first orange shade that we put on. And then I'll do a cut crease and show you guys this shade. So I'm first taking that orange shade and putting it in the crease area and blending up towards the brow bone. And I'm going to take the black shade and put this shade all over the lid. Now I'm sure you guys are probably wondering how I go from this to this. So now what we're going to do is take one more brush, and we are going to take the end of the last brush, and we're going to go in with that first orange shade that we have, and we're going to try and blend the black and the transition shade together. Alright, so that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So here is what it looks like. As you can see, it is completely blended out. What I'm going to do now is just make the black a little bit darker. And then I'm going to do a small cut crease about half of that lid, which is about the size of this one. Alright, so there we go. I'm going to take my Colorpop Gimme Butterflies palette and take the shade called Overpacked. And I'm just going to fill in this area of that cut crease with this shade. And then I'm going to use my Sephora eyeliner and put a little bit of eyeliner on. Now I'm going to put on mascara and eyelashes, and I will be right back. Alright everyone, so I just put on a headband so I could do my foundation, and I also put on my false lashes. I just have small ones on the corners, and I'm going to use my Makeup Forever HD foundation in the color Y325. Alright everybody, so now I'm going to be putting on a little bit of my Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. And I'm just putting it underneath my eyes for that extra coverage. And then I'll be using my Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. And I'm just going to place this underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to contour with my Wet n Wild contouring palette and take the dark shade. And make the line like that and then contour upward. And it is different lighting. This is cool light and this is warm light, just to let you guys know. Now I'm going to take my Nars blush, and this is in the color Desire, and it looks like this. It's a very nice hot pink. And I'm just going to put this on top of that contour. And then the last step for the face makeup is to take my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and take this brush that is very tinted with green and put this highlighter on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to take the same highlighter and put this in the inner corners. And then for underneath the eyes, I'm going to take the same black shade and line my bottom lashes. As you can see, it really brings out the eyes. And now I'm going to do one more layer of mascara and then put on my lip color. So for my lips, I'm going to take my Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the color Eternity and line my lips just a little bit. Alright everyone, so this is the completed look. I love it so much. I think that this smoky eye is like the best thing I've ever done to my face. And I've never done it before, so you know there's a first time for everything. Now I'm going to show you guys the makeup up close and conclude this video today. So if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you lovers in the next one. Bye!